All programs are now shut down. While off air, we advise you to please follow these steps. At this time, lock all your doors now. A mysterious creature has been detected at 9:43 a.m., looking like a deer or a kangaroo. Turn off all your electronics, except light. There are 4 kids missing. They wear a dino hat, squid hat, koala hat, and a kraken hat. If you find the 4 kids, keep them and take care of them. Do not abandon them. If you see this creature, get a thing that has light and direct it to the deer. If you have power outage or you need powerful light, direct it on it.